Rio. Today we are discussing about physical science lesson human and colorful world. I am your Subhash. Now let's go to topic. Today's our lesson is class 10 human and colorful world. What is eye? The eye is made up of a number of parts including the iris, pupil, cornea and retina. The eye has 6 muscles which control the eye movement, all providing different tensions and torque. The eye works a lot like a camera. The pupil provides the f-stop. The iris, the aperture stop. The cornea reassembles a lens. Next, you are seeing the diagram. What is myopia? Myopia. In eye effects, there are 3 types: myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia. I am showing you what is myopia. Myopia, otherwise known as short-sightedness. It is a common eye condition that causes objects in the distance to appear blurred, while close objects are often seen clearly. Myopia occurs when the eye has too much focusing power, either due to the eye being too long or the cornea more curved than usual, making the eye too strong. As a result, when someone with short-sightedness tries to look at the distant objects, the rays of light are focused in front of retina rather than directly onto it, causing the appearance of those objects to become blurred. Okay. Next, you are seeing the myopia diagram. Parallel rays coming from distant objects at infinity. The image is formed between eye lens and retina. Parallel rays coming from object distance at infinity. When the concave lens is kept in front of eye, we can see the virtual image of at f. The image is passing into eye at the correct place of retina. By the concave lens, we can defeat the myopia. Now so many members are using concave lens like spectacles. In that, convex and concave lens will be. And next one is hypermetropia. Hypermetropia, it is also called as long-sightedness. It is a common eye condition where nearby objects appear blurred, but your vision is clearly when looking things further away. If you feel your eyes are often tired and you have problems focusing on objects close to your eyes, you may have hypermetropia. Hypermetropia causes your eye is like a camera. It focuses light on the back of your eye, which provides you with clear vision. Long sight is caused by light not being correctly focused. Long sight is caused by light not being correctly focused when light traveling behind the retina. One cause may be that your eyeballs are shorter than usual. This means the retina is closer to pupil, causing light to travel past the retina. A normal eye is usually around 23 millimeters in length. So eye that is hypermetropia will be shorter than 23 millimeters. Next, we talk about presbyopia. Presbyopia is a condition associated with the gain of eye that results in progressively worsening ability to focus clearly on close objects. Symptoms include difficulty reading small print, having to hold reading material further away, headaches and a strain. You can see this type of lenses in old members. They can't see forward and they can't read the small letters. I am showing the presbyopia diagram. The normal eye lens is image on the retina. Lens thicked to focus on near objects. Presbyopia caused person. Image behind the retina. The image is representing at the behind of retina. Lens hardened by age, unable to change shape. Presbyopia corrected by correcting of eyeglasses. Image on the retina. This is the lens. All are using this type of spectacles to correct the eye effects. Now we discuss about scattering of light. Scattering of light is the phenomenon in which light rays get deviated from its straight path on shrinking an obstacle like dust or gas molecules, water vapors, etc. Scattering of light gives rise to many spectacular phenomena such as Tyndall effect and the red hues of sunrise and sunset. Do you understand? Next, we talk about depression of light. In the figure, you can see the depression of light. In optics, depression is the phenomenon in which the phase velocity of a wave depends on its frequency. Media having this common property may be termed dispersive media. Sometimes the term chromatic dispersion is used for specificity. Next, we talk about the prism. When a white light is passed through prism, it deflects as a rainbow. You are seeing the image refraction of light through a glass prism. When a light traveling from P, then it deviates in middle of the prism straight path, and again in point R, it deflects to downwards angle S. You can see the prism diagram. When white light beam is passing through point P, it deflects inside a different type of colors called VIBGYOR. The 7 colors glass prism. Now you are seeing this scattering of light image. This is the incident light passing to particle and deflects as scattered light. It will show the blur image. Now we are seeing the how rainbow will occur when after rain. After rain, the weather is wet. The weather will be wet. In the weather, so many water droplets will present. In that water droplets, sunlight enters at point B and refraction has been done there. At point C, total internal refraction of spectrum will be done. The direction of the C will deviate to direction D, refraction. Again, at B refraction, at D refraction. We can see the image deflects red, violet. Red have more specific in direction. Violet have less specific direction. That's why in the rainbow this type of phenomenon has occurred. That's why we can see the rainbow. Okay guys, that's all this session. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.